Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, today is the day that engine gets out of this boat, so now it's time to take off the roof. And yeah, this boat is going to the junkyard, so I'm not gonna be delicate about it. So the plan is just to start cutting here, and when I have cut it a bit in, screw a piece of wood to this side, leave it hanging on this side, so when I get all the way around it doesn't just fall in. So let's get to it. Yeah, so now the first piece is away. Now just to chop up the rest. Yeah, last piece. Now I'm just gonna cut away this window, because this one I'm gonna save and keep, because we have exactly the same window on our boat, so I'm gonna use that, keep that as a spare.
Ja. Ja, du ser att vi har tagit ut motorn nu i alla fall. Och så kan jag tända taket. Åh, så kan jag tända här då. Mamma, får jag hoppa in? Nej. Nej, jag vill leka med bandet. Var är det där?
Yeah, now the engine is out. I'm just gonna remove that so I can get the prop shaft out. And yeah, I found one of these, remote for the windlass, brand new. So yeah, now basically everything that we're gonna save are out from the boat. Yeah, so here it is. Finally got it off the trailer and turned it around so I can run it in here. So I want the exhaust going out. And let me show you. Yeah, here you have an original Perkins engine with transmission. That's originally in my boat. This is my spare engine, so the original engine is actually still left in the boat, but I have this. It's perfect, so I can check the engine mounts and distances and stuff like that. So just like make a small size comparison. This engine weighs more than 700 kilos. It's 170 centimeters long with the transmission. This one weighs about 300 and it's 135 centimeters long. So yeah, so this drivetrain actually is 35 centimeters shorter, half the weight, but twice the power, because the original one has 110 horsepower, if I remember correctly, and this one has about 200. Height from there to there is about 60 centimeters. And in front, center crank, that's about 45. But since the engine is leaning back and this one is shorter, it can be higher since it's 35 centimeters shorter. But let's see. What does we have from the crank there? 45 about. And there we have 32. And this one was 45. So This one is about 10 centimeters higher, but it's 10 centimeters high here, about here, and there it's a lot of space. And let's see, what did you say here? 60. Yeah, and this metal piece here, it's the highest point in the back, and that's on the 60 centimeters mark. So yeah, it shouldn't be any problem to get this to fit. Let's check the distance between the engine mounts. That's 55. Yeah, I can use this one instead. Then it should be in line. $55. Perfect. $72. $75. So yeah, that means that the beams that the old engine is mounted on should work to this new one. Perfect.